Hi guys, this is Press. Press checking Gearsan MC28 sucks in 380 ACP. Guys, very excited akong i-review tong unit na to dahil first time kong makaputok ng 380. So, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start. Well, it comes in a box. Yan. Ganda ng box niya guys. Ayan, let's open the unit. Wow. So guys, there's a permit to transport unit, the manual. It has speed loader, 2 back strap, and of course the cleaning kit here. And guys, there's a brush, yan, and then a cleaning oil, yan, and of course the unit. Guys, ang ganda ng unit. Yan. Of course, check muna natin if clear the barrel. Always do that. Okay guys, clear. It comes with 2 15-rounder magazine, guys. Gearsan MC28. Ang ganda niyan guys. Polymer yung frame niya and steel slide. Yan guys. And then yung sight niya is fixed, front and rear. And of course, meron siyang mga safety. Of course, safety trigger block, nasa loob siya. Safety chamber load indicator, cocking indicator guys. Ito guys Pagka kinak na siya, makita niyo yung red, yan. It means na loaded siya. So, pag ginalabit natin, yan. Means na hindi na siya loaded guys. So, very important yung safety na to. And then of course the manual safety. Yan. Napaka user friendly nito sa mga first time owners. Napaka useful. Yan guys. Ano nga pala siya? Striker fired single action. And of course, Gearsan MC28 has tactical rail para ikabit nyo yung mga weapon light nyo or ano man accessories na gusto nyo. Well, weight is 810 grams without magazine. Length is 144.8 mm. Speed is 30 mm. Barrel length is 98.3 mm. And trigger pull is 2.5 to 3 kg. It's finished in Cerakote coating, corrosion, and wear resistance. So guys, ito siya. Pakaganda. See? And of course, try na natin siya sa range. Well guys, upon testing it out sa range, well, napakaganda niya. Yung recoil niya, manageable, and then yung lakas niya, same na siya 9mm I think. Wala namang pinagkaiba. At saka ang ganda ng grip niya kasi guys, full size. So, hapit na hapit mo siya. Yan. Guys, size comparison pala natin to sa ibang unit. Well, let's compare it to Glock 19X. Okay guys, almost the same. The slide is almost the same. Ay, the same lang. Oh. And then the frame, almost the same also. And then we have Taurus G3. Almost the same lang also. Medyo mahaba lang yung frame ni Gearsan, pero the slide is the same. Yan. We have also a CCP10S subcompact. Ito nyo guys, mas mahaba ng konti the same lang kasi naturally malalaki naman talaga mga CC. So yun, yung size niya longer, same lang sila ng slide, and then the frame of course dahil subcompact. Ito nyo guys, compared yan, mas mahaba si Gearsan. And then finally the full size, the American Classic 2 by Metro Arms. Let's compare it. And guys, see the difference, 4-inch and 5-inch. And the American Classic is the full size gun. So yan. And guys. So yun guys, overall, maganda naman siya. I would recommend it to sa mga first time owners na maganda, pocket gun, and very affordable of course. Yan. Ganda ng handling. Matututo talaga kayo. And of course, yung recoil niya is 380. So, same as 9mm, pero okay naman. Yan, good for everyday carry and of course, self-defense. So guys, yun. Here's a Gearsan MC28 Socks. Press checking. Bye guys.